Hi everybody, welcome to the first Bigleprachaun bowling vlog. Today is the first day that I'm going to do this, and just sitting here waiting for my truck to warm up a little bit, and then I'll be on the way to pick up my buddy for bowling league this morning at Hanover Bowling Center. Some of the balls I'm taking is the old school Rattler, Brunswick Rattler. I've been through that last week on my Tuesday night league and shot 706. Alright, we'll start back up once we get to the center. Alright peeps, we are here at Hanover Bowling Center for league this morning. I got my DV8 Thug Corrupt in that CTE bag. I got the CTE 4-ball bag with my CTE spare ball, my Radical Quick Fix, Radical React version 2 solid, and my Brunswick Rattler. I'll get back to you guys after league's done. I'll let you know how everything went. Hey guys, just got done bowling Tuesday morning league. I shot 642, I had 181 in game 1. I started with the Rattler, didn't seem like it was moving right. I switched to my DV8 Thug Corrupt. Shot 259 game 2. Game 3 had a couple of 10 pins, messed me up. Shot 202. So I'll get back to you later on tonight for league tonight. All right, we're back at the center. It's about 3 o'clock back, but I coached a high school team, so they got practice today. Their last match is Thursday, so we'll see how they do in practice, and then I'll get back to you guys later. Hey guys, well, we're about an hour away from league starting. Gonna start with the Rattler, see what happens. If you have any guesses on what we shoot tonight, go ahead and put it in the comments. See you later. Alright, just got done Tuesday night league. I shot 726. I went 243, 256, 227. Everything felt great. Moved in the 10th room the third game.
Sorry, guys.
The 20, threw the Rattler out. Stuck with the Rattler all night. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Hey everybody, welcome to day 2 of week 1 of the first ever Bigleprachaun bowling vlog. I'm on my way to my local pro shop to learn how to lay out a ball. New ball I'm getting, the Radical Double Cross. It's a urethane with a UC 73. It's a little bit of a harder cover stock, but it's a new ball from Radical. It's the first ever urethane ball by Radical, and I'm going to learn how to lay it out, drill it up, and once I have it drilled and stuff like that, we'll see. I'll show you how I have it laid out. I'll show you how it rolls and stuff like that. All right, see you later. Hey guys, just got done drilling my double cross. We got black fingertips. We got an orange turbo sleeve, because that's what I use. It's by Radical. There's the layout. Later on I'll have a video of me throwing it so you can see how it rolls. And I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Like I said earlier, drilled up the double cross. I'm gonna throw a game here to see what it does. Oh, let's go up. That drilled mainly for max flip, so I can bump right, bump left, and hook it a ton. So, see how the rest of the game goes. As you can see on the ball, tight rings. Usually that's what you want for a ball like this. before I forget, I'd like to mention again, we're only on bird leak shot, so the ball's going to hook a little bit more than we're doing mouth shot. Shot that was standing about 26, 27, 26. Getting out through the oil, to the dry spot for the grab and get that ready. On about 15.5 miles an hour. If you like the way this question looks, I recommend going to your local car shop and getting one, drilling one up. They have a drilling sheet. They have one layout for a smaller hook, one for a smooth hook, one for most versatile, and they have one for max hook. How about people want this? You never fall down. That's what we call you hit target and leave a solid ether. Still got to work the ball a little bit. Like I showed earlier, I should lay on the ball. Mine's drilled the max hook. That's why I gotta be so far left. Put it across. As you just saw, I just tripped out another 7. Like I said before, that ball hits like a Mack truck, so I do recommend getting one. About $195, $95 retail. Like that shot. So if I have any more videos to show me on a bowl, if I do show motion, it's because I like the way the ball came up the hand and it was a good shot. So I'll see you guys later. I forgot to mention earlier about Wednesday nights. Just finished game 1, shot 219, had 2 4 7 10 splits. Let's see how the second and third game goes. Get back to you later. Just finished game 2, a little rough, only shot 161. Lanes are a little wonky right now. We'll see what happens game 3 and I'll get back to you guys after. Alright guys, that ends league. Shot 588 with a 2.8 last game. Last game, the one frame. The 6-7-10 made that. So, thanks for watching the first episode of Bigleprachaun Bowling Vlog. We'll see you next week. Have a good night.